Principle number 1 of lesson 33. Word beginnings 4 and 4 are represented by F. Forget, F-G-E-T. Forgive, F-G-E-V. Effort, E-F-T. Form, F-M. Inform, N-F-M. Information, N-F-M. Ish or Shon. Forerunner, F-R-N-R. Forlorn, F-L-O-R-N. Forever, disjoint, F, E-V, forever. So, please observe, the F is disjoint if the following character is a vowel. Okay. Please observe again, from the word forever. So, for is followed by a vowel. Okay. So, from the word forerunner, forlorn, the F is joined with an angle to R and L. Principle number 2. Word beginning for is represented by F. Furnished, F-N-ish. Furnished, F-N-ish, T, because this is the sound of T. Furniture, F-N-E-T-R. Furnace, F-N-A-S. Further, F underneath. Furthermore, F underneath, M-O-R. Ago in phrases is represented by gay. Days ago. D-A-S for days, then gay for ago. Weeks ago. U-E-K-S for weeks, then gay for ago. Years ago. E-R-S for years, and then gay for ago. Months ago. M-over-it-S, months, then gay for ago. Several days ago. S-E-V for several, D-A-S for days, then gay for ago. Few days ago. F-E-U-U for few, D-A-S for days, and then gay for ago.